Hey guys, it's Bailey here, and I'm doing a video from my house, and I'm sick today, and so my computer's nearly flat, so I have to make this quick. What was I gonna do today? I don't seriously know what I'm going to do today. I've been watching Ghostbusters. Yeah, I only had number 2. I lost my number 1. Yeah. And so anyway, I'm hanging with my cat. There's my cat right there. And yeah, so anyway guys, I'm the only one in my house, so I took over my house. Yeah, that's how we roll. And anyway, it's pretty dark. I just wait until my mum comes home, and yeah, so this is just a random clip, and hope you'll leave in the comments what I should do for my funny, like those adventure clips I make, and like I grow stuff. I did something like last week, if you've seen it. And anyway, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.